Are you facing a WhatsApp verification code problem on your iPhone, iOS 18 or later? I know how frustrating it is. But don't worry. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how to solve this WhatsApp verification code problem. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Try airplane mode on and off. Make sure you have entered the correct number. Solution 1. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove App. After that, tap Delete App. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now install the app again. Check your issue and whether it's solved or not. Solution 4. Check iOS Update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see any software updates available for iOS, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. I hope these solutions worked. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, then please write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.